Hi, this is Yoshi. Week 9, the final week. We have two lectures, a crane and kissing cranes, called renzuru. Crane is a tsuru in Japanese, which is a symbol of peace, health, and long life. This is President Obama's crane, which he presented to Hiroshima Atomic Bomb Monument in 2016. And this is Grandpa Tsukada's crane. Okay, start from mountain folding for rectangle direction. The typical one. Unfold and mountain folding for rectangle from the other direction. Now you see two mountain folding lines when unfold. Then valley folding for triangle. So mountain, mountain, and valley is a typical one to fold naturally to a square. Okay, this is the start. Okay, just mark the center line area. Do not fold, just mark. And fold small triangle like this. And do the same for the opposite side. And the back side as well. So total 4 small triangles is going to be made. It will look like this now. And fold the divided area, the triangle area. Then unfold 2 small triangles at the same time. And open that. Okay, the sharper side is easy. But the opposite side is difficult. It will be like this now. Then turn over the paper and unfold 2 small triangles, just like what we did previously. Okay, then it will look like this rhombus. Then fold small triangle for the area which is divided, not the other side, divided area. A tip is when you fold these small triangles, make sure to have some spaces in between. And turn over the paper and do the same for the back side. Don't come to the center line. Leave some space. And raise the overlapped one. One side will be neck and the opposite side will be tail. And 2 wide flapping pentagon will be the wing. And this is the head, deck, and raise this one, and this is going to be the tail. We're almost done. You see neck is going to be do the nakaware ori to create head and open the wing. The tip is to pull the body side by using thumb. Do not pull the end of a wing. So this is crane, tsuru in Japanese, a symbol of health, long life, and peace. Okay, let's see the supplement video. You need to master to fold tsuru, unless otherwise you cannot fold kissing cranes. So 2 mountain folding and then big triangle by valley folding. So by this way, the colored side is coming on top and it will be a small square. Top from the bottom, and the valley folding area will be fold in like this. And this technique is going to be very useful, and you have to have when you do kissing cranes. And here, do not fold completely, just marking the center. If you fold full, then the wing will not great, neat. Okay, folding small triangles. This one you can go to the center line. So total 4 is done. Now the next is to mark the line here. And then you open small triangles, unfold, and fold in. Mountain folding area is easy, but this side, the right side of this photo, is the valley folding, so it's a bit difficult. Okay, go the other way. Fold in. So this rhombus, the divided side, yes, this side, you create a small triangle, but don't go to the center line. Leave some space, and you have to do 4 of them. This leaves some space, gives you the flexibility later on, and it will come out nicely, neatly. This is the third one, and this is the fourth one. Okay, now open here. And this is a kind of nakaware ori. And this will be a neck. When you fold crane, opposite of neck is always the tail. In between neck and tail, wing is there. The wing is this a kind of pentagon shape, funny shape, odd shape. Before that, use nakaware ori technique to make head. Okay, almost done. Now open the wing. Don't fold here. Near side and pull it. then the body will come out nicely. If you pull the outside, then it might break the wing. Okay, this is crane. So the next is going to be kissing cranes, connected cranes.